Hi there. I'm Zach. I saw you in the morning math tutorial.
Oh, you mean the morning math tutorial?
Yeah, you probably didn't see me. I was late. So I was sitting by the door.
Well, I'm Sylvia. I'm sorry. Did you say your name was Jack?
Actually, it's Zach with a Z.
Sorry, Zach. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night.
Don't worry about it. People are always calling me Jack.
Zach, why are you taking that morning math class?
That's the only time I can take math. If I could take it later, I would.
Yeah, I understand. My schedule's the same way.
But next semester, I think I'll be able to take math class in the afternoon.
I'd like to do that. I'm just not a morning person, especially when it comes to math.
What do the speakers have in common? A. They have the same class. B. They both like math. C. Both of them are always late.
Why did the man sit by the door in the class? A. He was very sleepy. B. He didn't arrive on time. C. He was looking for the woman.
Why does the woman apologize? A. She is always late for class. B. She cannot see the man any longer. C. She doesn't say the man's name correctly.
When does the man want to take math class? A. Early in the morning. B. Anytime he can. C. In the afternoon.
The woman says she is not a morning person. What does that mean? A. She dislikes going to bed late. B. She doesn't perform well before noon. C. She is not at her best unless it's morning.